The Jio Phone 2. Yes, it is. What do you think it is? In today's video, let's unbox it and see what's new. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech. Before we begin, card to our monthly giveaway. Links in the description below. And while you're down there, hit that bell icon, become part of our notification squad. Let's now get started. The Jio Phone 2 comes in a colorful box with the picture of the phone itself on top. Kinda reminds me of Nokia from the good old days. To the back we have some of the specs and a few supported apps mentioned. Decides to have some more branding. Let's now tear that plastic off and open the seal. And finally, open the box. First up, we have the phone itself. Let's take it out and peel the protective films off. After all the big smartphones we generally unbox, the Jio Phone 2 feels really light. Anyway, let's put that aside for the moment. We then have the warranty card and some documents. Okay, now I know why it felt so light. The Jio Phone 2, like the first gen Jio Phone, comes with a removable battery. Remember removable batteries? Yay, it's there here. Finishing off the box contents, we have a wall charger with micro USB. Let's now pop that battery in, close the battery cover shut. Feels satisfying to hear that click. I like metal and glass just as much as the next guy, but I kind of miss replaceable batteries. Let me know if that's something you feel too. Now externally, a lot has changed with the new Jio Phone. The screen, well, it was vertical before, now we have it horizontal. The size and the resolution remain the same, 2.4 inches and QVGA. The big change though is what's below the display. We now get a full-sized QWERTY keyboard, which surely is a step up. Now in hand, the Jio Phone 2 feels pretty solid, and the new orientation means that stuff like browsing or scrolling through social media is easier, and videos, well, they play by default in landscape now. This means you can enjoy your favorite media content without flipping the phone around. Rest of the things, they haven't really changed at all from the first gen Jio Phone. You still have the dual SIM and micro SD slot. We have front and back cameras, and they're the same resolutions, 0.3 and 2 megapixels respectively. Here are some sample shots. Guys, it's a 3K phone, so we didn't expect much, and you shouldn't too. I'm just glad that the cameras are even there, because at this budget they could have omitted one. Now coming to the software side of things, well, this too runs on KaiOS and has much the same exact software as we've seen on the first gen Jio Phone. We get the usual Jio and entertainment apps, and you can download all that from the App Store. And in the near future, we should get WhatsApp as well as YouTube. In fact, this clip that you're seeing, that was shot on the Jio Phone 1. We did get to play around with WhatsApp and YouTube for a bit. And we also have a dedicated video on it, so card to it here. Check it out for more information. So how do you get your hands, or where do you get your hands on a Jio Phone 2? You can grab yours from the link in the description, but the main question on your mind is, should I get the Jio Phone 2 or just get the Jio Phone 1? Well, if the QWERTY keyboard is important, then yes, the flipped orientation might also help. If it is something you like, then maybe you could pick the Jio Phone 2 up. It's priced at 3,000 rupees. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Also, if you want to know about the special plans that Jio has come up with for the Jio phones, then I'll have that up on screen right now. And with that, we get to the end of this video. Vote it down if you hated it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, please do subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon. And with that, I bid you adieu. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.